US might soon drop the 25% penal tariffs on Indian goods. The Gamescraft scandal worth 270 crores shook the online gaming world, and Urban Company's dazzling listing is boosting investor confidence in India's startup scene. Welcome to Biz This Week. Let's jump onto the week's biggest stories. First up, the India-US trade talks. Both countries are back at the negotiating table. The even bigger news, the 25% additional tariff imposed on India, mainly for its purchase of Russian oil. Chief Economic Advisor V. Anantha Nageshwaran is optimistic that these tariffs could be gone by November 30th. Fingers crossed that happens because it means a boost for Indian exports to the US, making Indian textiles, gems, leather, shrimp, etc. cheaper there. Now let's talk about the big shakeup in the gaming world. Gamescraft former CFO Ramesh Prabhu allegedly siphoned off around 270 crore rupees to bet on the futures and options market. He's now facing serious charges like criminal breach of trust and forgery. This scandal raises a lot of questions about how well companies are being watched and controlled, especially while the industry is already reeling under the impact of the new bill prohibiting online real money games. Shifting gears to the auto sector, there's good news for car buyers. Maruti Suzuki is the latest automaker to announce price cuts on its entry-level models following the GST overhaul, right in time for the festive season. So you could save anywhere from 41,000 rupees to 1.3 lakh rupees after September 22nd. And news from the US, the Federal Reserve cut interest rates by 25 basis points. Cheaper loans in the US could mean more global investments flowing into India, boosting stocks and maybe even your portfolio. In fact, both the Sensex and Nifty climbed to a 2-month high this week. For the week, the indices were up about 1% each. And adding to the excitement, Urban Company made a splash with its IPO, listing at a stunning 57% premium. The shares hit 162 rupees compared to the issue price of 103 rupees, and the stock has been trending up since. So shareholders who bet on the IPO are sitting on a good amount of profits. Lastly, Google made history by becoming the 4th company ever to reach a $3 trillion market cap. A recent court ruling protected its Chrome and Android businesses and gave the stock a 4% boost, helping it close at $3.05 trillion, making it one of the most valuable tech titans ever, following in the footsteps of Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia. Well, that's your quick update on the biggest business stories this week. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and keep them updated on what's moving the markets.